Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into standard bank accounts online. If you are looking for the easiest way to access your standard bank account online, then here's how you can easily do it. First of all, launch open your preferred web browser either on your computer or your mobile device, and in the URL box, type in standardbank.com and search. You'll now end up in the official website for Standard Bank, where you can see this interface over here. Go ahead and tap on the three horizontal menu buttons from the home page at the top right corner, and you will see this information over here on the page. Click on the lock icon at the top right and select your country from the menu. Once you've done that, go to the top right corner and tap the three horizontal menu button again, and then tap on the lock icon at the top right and select the internet banking option. You can also choose between other banking options, and once you do that, you'll end up in the login section. You'll then be able to see the sign-in area popping up on the screen. Here, you'll need to type in your username and password associated with your online banking account. Go ahead and enter your credentials correct in the respective text boxes. If you don't remember your username or password, you can tap on the username or password button at the bottom where it says forgot username/password. But if you do remember your credential, tap on sign in. And once you do that, you might be asked to verify your identity using an OTP sent to your registered mobile number or email. Enter the OTP correctly and you'll be able to access your account in a few seconds. After you're inside and logged in, you can view your balance, transfer funds, pay bills, and manage your account safely. So that is how you easily log into your standard bank account online in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.